Very warm welcome to all of you once again. The video lecture series presented by Professor Rakesh Yashwant for Database Management System. Our today's agenda is to understand what are the components of database management system, different database user, and role of database administrator. So let's try to understand what are the function component of DBMS. It is a job of database system to translate, update the queries written in the non-procedural language at the logical level into an effective sequence of operation at the physical level. So our functional component of database is broadly classified into two categories, say storage manager and query processor. Let's check by this particular diagram. In this particular diagram, we are able to see here the storage manager is that, and here above that query processor. So let's check one by one in the topmost layer. This is nothing but a view layer of any database management system. Here is the Navy user. Generally, Navy user are nothing but a user which is going to interact with our application without knowing the application detail. So here is Navy user, that is the ATM user or normal web user is going to use our application by mean of interaction or application interface. The application programmer are nothing but programmer who are write some application program for our database management system. Or sophisticated user are nothing but such kind of user who uses our query tool for analysis the databases. And database administrator are nothing but a person who administrate the overall tool or overall configuration of our database. So then we frequently say that the major component of any database management system is nothing but a storage manager and then query processor. So let's we check in much detail how storage processor and how storage manager and query processor may work. So storage management is nothing all about how the program module that provide the interface between the low level data store in the database and the application program and the query submitted to our system. Our storage manager is nothing but responsible for interaction with the file manager and efficient storing, retrieving and updating the data. The three major issues may generally appear while working with the storage manager, that is storage access, file organization and indexing and hashing. Or storage manager component are furtherly focus on those five aspects, that is authorization and integrity manager, which tests for satisfaction of integrity constant and check the authority of a user to access the particular data from the database. Then transaction manager who ensure that the database remain in the consistent, means correct state despite the system failure and concurrent transaction execution. Then our buffer manager is responsible for fetching the data from disk storage into the memory or main memory and deciding what the data to be in a cache memory. Then file manager is nothing but a portion who manage the allocation of space on a disk and the data structure used to represent the information from the disk. Or disk manager is nothing but a lowest component which is we seen in the particular diagram. This is disk manager. Or so disk manager is responsible for OS management secondary spaces, means whatever the space allocated in our operating system to manage such kind of stuff, disk manager play a very vital role. So in implementation perspective, we need a data file so which store the database itself, data directory which store the metadata about the structure in database, or metadata is nothing but a data about the data, and indexes, the database indexes provide the pointer to those data items that hold a particular value in our databases. Next, our very much important functioning component, say the query processor, which is responsible for parsing and translation optimization and query evaluation. So in this particular diagram, we are seeing that the query is passed to the parser and translator, and then parser and translate transfer this query to the relational algebra expression. Here is query is going to optimize, and sometime there the statistical data about the particular query has to be fetched from the database, and this it went to the execution plan. Then our query evaluated engines is going to explain to find the data, which is nothing but a portion of data mining, and then we are produce some query output. There are a few user, as we already discussed in very few seconds back, that is there are the different kind of user which is going to interact with our database, that is application program interact with a system through the DML queries, that is data manipulation calls. Sophisticated user from the query in the database query language. Specialized user who write the specialized database application that do not fit into the transition of data processing framework. And Navy user invoke one of the permanent application programmer that have been written previously. Navy user are nothing but those kind of user who are accessing our database without having the much knowledge of our database system. Likewise, the ATM user, we can say. Then there are the person who responsible to manage our entire DBA database, and the name of person is called database administrator. So database administrator is responsible for defining the conceptual schema, defining the internal schema, liaising with the users, defining the security and integrity constant in the database, then defining the dump and reload policies, whatever maybe we want to implement in our databases, and monitor the performance and responsibility changing requirement. Those are a few functions which database administrator has to be performed while interacting with the DBMS. Say schema definition. The DBA create the original data schema by executing the set of data definition statement, that is through data definition language. Storage the structure and access method defined by the database administrator. Then schema and physical organization modification had been taken care by database administrator. Then granting the authorization for data access is totally functionality of our database administrator, and some routing management has to be performed by the database administrator, like the periodically backup taking the databases, ensuring the enough free disk space available while operating with the databases, and monitoring the job running on the databases, ensuring for the performance is not degrade with a very expensive task submitted by some user. So I would like to thank you, and thank you very much for being with us. Stay tuned, subscribe and like our video if you want. Thank you very much.